Exotel's latest feature call transfer is now available for users. This will allow your agents to transfer the call to other agents. This feature is available via the available apps in the app Bazaar. You can configure the various options in the app based on your choice. Hit install and you should now see the call transfer button right next to the already familiar call and SMS buttons. Before you start using this feature, make sure to configure the call flow where the incoming calls are connected. Drag and drop the new call transfer applet in the connect applet after the call conversation ends and select the name of the app that you just installed. Repeat this for all the connect applets or call flows you have in your account. You can start typing out the agent's name or number to whom you want to transfer the call to. A drop-down will appear with all the agents who are available and free at that particular time. Once you've selected the agent, you can click on the transfer button. Note that this will only work if you're active on another call. Similarly, you can transfer a live call to a group. You can type and select the group's name to transfer. Make sure you've installed the call transfer app from the app Bazaar for this feature to be available. You will be prompted to disconnect the call that you're on, after which the customer will remain on call while the transfer attempt is made to the selected agent. The transferred agent then picks up the call and talks to the customer. The transferred agent can do further transfers if required. Links to some useful documents that contain more details and frequently asked questions about call transfer are provided in the description below. Exotel is hard at work and many exciting features are to come your way. Stay tuned.